In 1951, Gupta Electrical Industries was established by K.L. Padmanabha Gupta. He started out by trading electronic components across Karnataka. In 1981, with the guidance of K.P. Jaikumar, GEI established its first factory at Peenya for customized sheet metal fabrication using state-of-the-art machinery.
कौन है?
सर लूंड्री।
Under the vision of K.P. Gadadhar, GEI diversified into manufacturing commercial grade laundry machines. Today, under the guidance of Kirijesh KJ, GEI in the brand name Mighto is manufacturing commercial grade laundry machines. Now, presenting to you our star studded lineup. This is our washer extractor. It is rugged, it is built to last. This machine comes with a touchscreen system which makes it user friendly. It is completely made in India, so all the spare parts is available with us. And it extracts 80 to 90% of water and makes the tumble dryers work easier. This is the tumble dryer. This is built rugged and it's made in India too. So all the spare parts is available with us. This machine does 100% of drying, so all the clothes are ready to be used. But if you have bigger clothes, we have bigger guns. Presenting to you our flat work ironer, which leaves your clothes wrinkle free. Last but not the least, I'm Gautam Kumar Gupta. If you've stayed with me till here, I'm sure you're interested in our products. So, drop us a message, contact us, or come by our factory to know more. Thank you for watching.